Hi everyone, welcome to AM Technologies. Today I am going to explain you about logical functions, which is a part from first PUC Computer Science practicals, that is logical functions. Okay, here we have four logical functions, that is and, or, if, not. See, this is the table. Argument 1, okay, argument 2. So if both argument true means then only true in and function. If any one false means or both false means it will be false only. Next, the next one is if both arguments false means then only it will be false, the result will be false. Otherwise, if any one or two, if any one and all arguments are true means then it will be true only. Next one is not function, that is exact to opposite to the argument. It will, the result will be opposite to the argument. If it is true means this one will be displayed as false. If the argument is false means the result will be true. Okay, next, first we will discuss about one condition. For example, I want to display, I have to check this value. If this value is greater than or equal to 18, so one condition only. If the value is greater than or equal to 18 means then it has to display as true. Okay, for one condition we no need to use and or these and all things. Directly we can check like this. If that is, if we are checking number means no need to put here double quotes. If you are displaying something, some statement like that means whatever the words, those should be in double quotes. Okay, so we are checking the number should be greater than or the number whatever in that cell that is greater than or less, greater than or equal to or less than to this number we are checking. So for one condition no need to mention any function, directly we can write like this is equals to a13 means this cell greater than or equal to 18. So if we write like this means if it is greater than the this cell's value greater than means it will display as true. If this value is 18 also true only. Why? Greater than or equal to we have mentioned. Okay, next, if this value is less than 18 means then it will become false. Okay, next, suppose I don't want to display as true or false, something I want to display in that place. For that, something I want to display statement. Okay, based on this condition, if this is greater than or equal to 18, based on this condition something I want to display means I can use if function. This is the condition part and this is the first statement. So statement should be written under double quotes. This is the second statement. Here in if function we have three parts. One is condition part, another one is first statement, another one is second statement. The first statement run when after this condition satisfies, or after this condition true, then only first condition runs. If the condition is false means, if the condition false means the second statement will run or will execute. Okay, so we will check here. So like this we have to write a13 is greater than or equal to 18. If this is conditions true means, if this condition is true means then first statement will run, otherwise second statement will run. So this is whatever the value in a13 that is not greater than or equal to 18, that's why it is the second statement is executed. Sorry, the second statement is execute. Okay, next, now I am writing here 20, so it is greater than 18 only. So here what we have got the second statement. Okay, sorry, first statement. So the condition is true, that's why it is display as and this is displaying first statement. If the condition false means this displays second statement. Okay, second statement we will get if the condition false means. Next, for one condition like this we can write, okay, to check more than one condition. See here, this should be male and this should be greater than 21. For that, see here, here we are checking if two arguments are true means it will display true. Any one argument false means it will display as false. So this is uh, male only, that is true, and this is whatever the value in B6, that is 10. 10 is not greater than or equal to 21, that is, so that is false. So the result will be one argument true, another argument false, means the result will be false only. So if this condition false means what will happen, the second statement will execute. So second statement is getting execute. Okay, suppose if the statement if the condition is true, both arguments are true, means what will happen, the first statement both see here, a6 is male only and b6 greater than 21 only, that's why the first statement will execute. It is executing, eligible for marriage. Okay, so next, similarly here we are using or function. Okay, what I am writing here is equals to r. A10 means this one. Okay, this one is A10, and that should be MSc, and B10 should be B.Ed. If we are using R operator or R function, means here when it will display as false, if both arguments false means then only it will display false. If any one of these argument true means it will display as true only. So both arguments are not there, it is not equal to MSc, and this is not equal to B.Ed, that's why it is showing as false. Okay, so suppose if any one argument is true means what will happen, so it will be true only. Okay, both also true means true only. Why? This is equals to MSc, and the second argument which is in B10, that one also be added. Both arguments are true only, that's why it is showing true. If one argument true means it will show true only. If another argument true means it will show this is false and this is true. Why it is false means, see here, that should be MSc, it is not there, that's why it is false, and this is true. One false and one T, one false and one true means the result will be true only in R function. Okay, suppose for same thing I don't want to display as true and true or false, I want to display something like this. Okay, so among these two conditions, this is the condition part. If the condition true means, it means in these two arguments, any one argument true means the first statement will run. Both arguments are false means then only the second statement run. Okay, so enter. See here, one condition, one argument is true. So in R operator, if any one argument true means then it will be true only. Okay, if both are false, the false means then only it will be false, then only the second statement will run here. Okay, both are true means it will be true only. Any one true means then also it will be true only. Okay, next one is not function. Whatever we have in 16 cell, if it is equals to, see here, the 16 cell is equals to true, we are giving is equals to not operator, it changes false to true, true to false. Okay, open parenthesis, and this value I am giving, I am mentioning then that logic. Okay, it will be false. If it is false means that one will be, if you use not function means exact to opposite, exact opposite to the argument, it will display opposite to the argument. Okay, if you write here false means you will get true, if you write here true means you will get false. Okay, I like this. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Please share this video to your friends.